Hello, boys and girls. I'm here today to give you your 10 weekly words that you are going to spell. I want you to listen to each word carefully as I say it. Listen to the sounds in the words. Remember the spelling patterns and sound out your words carefully so that you can spell them. Also, remember to pause the video after each word so you'll have enough time to spell. Let's get started. Your first word is brother, garden, among, even, cover, monkey, discover, above, lovely, and frightened. Those are your 10 weekly words that you have to spell this week using the schwa e and the schwa o sound. Do your best, and I'll see you later. Bye.